Motion Friend here. In this video I'll be showing you some strategies to create FUI elements using Element 3D. This isn't a click here to do this type video, it's more of a look at the strategies I used to create these 4 examples. The project file will be in the description if you want to learn how I created them. To create these, I chose only to use simple geometric objects. Often I used expressions like ×40 to animate rotation over time. This gives you a more dynamic feel and stops you having to keyframe everything. In this example, I'm keyframing the animation engine to animate cloned elements coming on. I feel like there's a lot of room to experiment with this one. You can change the particle replicator to different modes. I found ring and sphere to be quite useful in these particular pieces. You can use them to create grids of cloned objects as well. I'm using a plugin called Crossfire Bokeh to get the out of focus areas, though you could use camera lens blur to achieve the same effect. I'm also using Videocopilot Saber to create things like the pentagons in the background to draw a little burst to draw your attention. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe.